If you're anything like me, you've probably dabbled in the world of microinvesting. The idea of investing your spare change, those forgotten cents from everyday purchases, into a diversified portfolio, it just makes sense, right? For a while, one name dominated this space in Australia, Is Raiz. They were pioneers, making investing accessible to pretty much anyone with a smartphone. You could set it and forget it, watching your virtual piggy bank grow with those roundups from your coffee runs and grocery hauls. It felt revolutionary, a low-barrier entry into the often intimidating world of stocks and shares. But then, as with any evolving market, things started to shift. New players emerged, offering different features, fee structures, and investment philosophies. Some promised even lower fees, others more control, and a few even specialized in ethical investing. Amidst this flurry of innovation, a question started to pop up in my comments section, in online forums, and even in casual conversations with friends: is Raiz still around? Or, more pointedly, whatever happened to Raiz? It's a valid question, especially if you haven't actively checked in on your account or been following the micro-investing landscape closely. So, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, Raiz is absolutely still available. It hasn't disappeared, rebranded into something unrecognizable, or vanished into the digital ether. In fact, it's still a very active and prominent player in the Australian micro-investing scene. Perhaps the reason for the confusion is the increased competition, or maybe even the fact that Raiz themselves have continued to evolve their offerings, leading to a perception that things might have changed significantly. Raiz Financial Technologies Limited, the company behind the app, is still listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, under the ticker code RZI. They continue to provide their core micro-investing service, allowing users to invest their spare change, make recurring deposits, or invest lump sums into a range of diversified portfolios. These portfolios are designed to cater to different risk appetites, from conservative to aggressive, and even include an ethical option for those who want their investments to align with their values. Beyond just the basic roundup feature, Raiz has also expanded its product suite. They now offer a superannuation product, Raiz Super, allowing users to consolidate and invest their retirement savings through the platform. They've also introduced Raiz Rewards, which gives you a percentage of your spending back as an investment when you shop with participating brands. Essentially another way to top up your investment portfolio without really thinking about it. So, while the landscape of micro-investing has certainly become more crowded, Raiz has continued to innovate and maintain its position. The fundamental premise of making investing accessible and simple remains at its core, and for many Australians, it's still a fantastic entry point into building wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.